Hello and thank you for joining us for the Ooma Connect product review brought to you by Soria e-commerce. What is the Ooma Connect? It's a base unit with external LTE antenna plus Ethernet. And now for the unboxing, the Ooma base station. Here's the top of the box. Comes with power supply and Ethernet. It has a variety of ports on the back of it. And you know it's done booting up when you see a blue and a green light. It takes a while to boot up. And now for the Ooma LTE 460 adapter. Here's the front of it. On the back side you can mount it, and on the inside of the box you see the mount and antenna cable, about 25 foot. It's waterproof, and inside you can see the connection for the antenna cable. Here it is fully assembled. It also comes with a manual for the base station and the LTE 460 adapter. There's an Ooma Connect app which gives you diagnostic information. Thank you, and please subscribe to Soria e-commerce channel.